Did you know that octopuses have three hearts? Two pump blood to their gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of their body. But here's the kicker. When they swim, the heart that delivers blood to the body actually stops beating. And what about the immortal jellyfish? This extraordinary creature can revert back to its juvenile form after reaching maturity, effectively allowing it to live forever, unless it succumbs to disease or predation. Then there's the axolotl, a salamander that remains in its larval form throughout its life, retaining its gills and aquatic lifestyle, a phenomenon known as neoteny. These bizarre facts remind us that nature is full of surprises, and the animal kingdom never ceases